Carbonara noodle ingredients. First, Indomie Jumbo grilled chicken. I chose this because it is bigger in size. Next, there are eggs, flour, full cream milk, cheese, and margarine. First, boil the eggs in boiling water. When the eggs are cooked, add the noodles. Cook until half cooked, then drain. Add enough margarine. Add flour. Stir until combined. So that the milk doesn't evaporate quickly, use low heat. Mix well. Add cheese and noodle seasoning. Here I forgot to add seasoning to the finished noodles. I put it at the end. Add the noodles and eggs from earlier. Here my result is too thick because the fire is too big. But the taste is beyond doubt. The noodles are really creamy and the cheese topping adds to the deliciousness. Good luck and enjoy!